Welcome. Let's explore the Curious Science Club, where Mia, Noah, Emma, and Leo discovered a super mysterious box.
Inside, a cool invitation to do fun science experiments and earn their shiny junior scientist badges.
But hey, the golden rule before we start, always grab a trusted adult to help out.
Okay, let's jump straight into Zone 1 Wacky Water Wonders. First up, some actual dancing raisins. Noah dropped raisins into sparkling water. You can literally watch tiny bubbles lift them up before popping. Mia was amazed, saying, "Science makes raisins dance." So cool, right? Did you expect them to float? Moving on, can we actually make an egg float? What do you think is going to happen here?
Whoa, the egg totally sinks in plain water but floats right up in the salty water.
Emma explains that adding salt makes the water denser, which basically pushes that heavy egg up. All right, welcome to Zone 2, Cool Chemistry Reactions. Things are about to get super bubbly and colorful. With an adult's help, they mixed baking soda and vinegar to create an epic, foamy volcano. Emma pointed out that this awesome bubbly reaction is actually creating invisible carbon dioxide gas. Now check out how we make magic milk fireworks with just milk, food coloring, and dish soap. Just touching the milk with a soapy swab made the colors suddenly explode and swirl everywhere. Emma realized the soap is literally pushing the fat in the milk around to create that rainbow. Finally, let's explore Zone 3, Invisible Science Forces. These actually push and pull objects around us. Leo rubbed a balloon on his head, and it amazingly made his hair stand straight up. Tiny paper pieces literally jumped up to the balloon, all thanks to the magic of static electricity. On a quick treasure hunt, they discovered that only certain types of metals are actually magnetic. Suddenly, the mysterious box glowed, rewarding them all with their shiny new junior scientist badges. Their golden certificates shared a cool reminder. Every single great scientist starts out simply by being curious. Science is totally everywhere. Keep safely asking questions, and we'll catch you on our next science adventure. To wrap up this explainer, what amazing new science discovery are you going to explore today?